From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining me. I'm student meteorologist Mike Susko. Taking a look outside, we have some clouds and fog in the area. Temperature is currently at 63 degrees with a calm wind across the area. Taking a look at temperatures, let's go 63 in State College, 60 in Altoona, Clearfield is at 61, Williamsport at 66. Taking a wider view across the state, we can see Erie is at 65, Franklin is at 57, that is currently our cool spot, but Philadelphia is at 70 degrees, no surprise there being the warm spot as far as that goes. And taking a look at the radar and satellite from the last couple of hours, we do have some clouds here in the lower valleys. That is the fog that you see this morning. And then right here we can see some of those outer clouds from Hurricane Jose starting to work its way in to the screen here and just about to enter southern New Jersey. And speaking of Hurricane Jose, you can see 85-mile-per-hour storm currently moving in north 9 miles per hour. Putting this into motion, you can see that the storm will continue moving north, and then tomorrow and into Wednesday will be just offshore of New Jersey as a Category 1 storm or as a tropical storm. Now the question is, does it stay to the west and give us larger and larger swells and more rain across New Jersey, or does it start to the east and we just get a lot of large swells? Currently the models are starting to suggest more and more of a rain pattern with Jose, but it'll just be rain and wind, no direct hit in New Jersey. But Cape Cod's not as lucky. They're closer to the edge of this cone, so they can see a direct impact as far as Hurricane Jose goes, but at this point it'd be a tropical storm. But again, we're hoping that it will stay more of a southerly track as far as this goes, and we just get a lot of large swells and maybe some rain and wind. And then it's taking a look at Friday and Saturday, you can see it'll start to wrap around. Some of the models do suggest at this point it will stall in this area, so the risk for rip currents will stay very high come the next week and into next weekend across New Jersey and New York. But the big another one, Hurricane Maria, is currently a Category 1 storm at 90 miles per hour, moving west-northwest at 13 miles per hour. Unfortunately, just about to hit the new Leeward Islands. They just got hit with Hurricane Irma. Unfortunately, it looks like they're going to get hit with another Category 2 or maybe Category 3 hurricane beginning tonight and into tomorrow. Putting this into motion, we can see another problem. Puerto Rico, possibly getting a direct hit from a Category 4 storm. That would be, if that does happen, Wednesday morning, Wednesday afternoon. And then Hispaniola is not out of the woods yet. We can still see a direct impact there. Now, if it does hit Hispaniola directly, it's very mountainous, so most likely it will weaken. And in fact, the track even takes that into consideration from going from a Category 4 down to a Category 3, although that's not going to be. Don't let your guard down if that does happen, because these storms can still be very dangerous, even if they are Category 3 versus 4. And then southern Bahamas will have to keep an eye on this as we move into later in the week and early next weekend. But taking a look back home, as future radar, we can see we have a lot of clouds around the area, and scattered showers throughout the day. You can see those moving in from the east as we get that easterly flow. And then to come tomorrow, we can see that we are starting to see some of those outer rain bands from Hurricane Jose, at least with this particular model, entering New Jersey tomorrow morning around 9:30, 10 o'clock. And then tomorrow night, we will see some of those rain bands even working their way into the Philadelphia area. So southeastern Pennsylvania, you could even get some rain from Hurricane Jose. It'll just be a little bit of rain and wind possibly, nothing major as far as that goes. But as far as here in State College goes, temperatures today, 81 degrees, partly cloudy skies, and a calm wind. So it's going to be a very nice day today as we enter the final full week of summer. And then tonight, it's going to be very nice. Again, partly cloudy skies, low of 60 with a calm wind. Tomorrow, not much different from today here. High of 81, mostly sunny skies with winds light and variable. And when we show you this 7-day forecast, you can see, as far as weather goes, it's actually kind of boring. It's just lots of clouds and sun, at least from my perspective. 81 degrees today with partly cloudy skies. Tuesday, 80 degrees with lots of sun. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we'll see just a few clouds here and there on all 3 days. Temperatures will be in the low 80s, around 81 degrees. Saturday and Sunday, looking really nice as far as weather goes. 80 degrees and 81, respectively, with Saturday seeing more clouds possibly than Sunday as we can end the weekend. Thank you for joining me, everyone. I'm student meteorologist Mike Susko. Have a great day, and we'll see you this afternoon.